What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to Pete 717. This is a part 2 of building on WRX, rebuilding an engine. I put that engine back in the car, register it, sell the car. You guys get to experience the whole loop. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get this going. Part number 2. Big ol' hole.
Just to go touch the gas. Economy Plus.
Yeah. She's next. Surprise, surprise. Alright. Magic by Ivan. Ivan says we're in the clear, 5 minutes away from starting. Gas in the tank. Ivan says piece of cake. 5 minutes later we'll start this beast.
No harness.
Hardwired, right?
Yeah, I think it's hard.
Almost.
Perfect. Good. Timing was done right, so I brought it up right away. She's alive!
Yeah.
I put a skid plate
I think her tire's flat. Yeah, I saw the light. So we ran the car for about 10 minutes. No oil leaks, no coolant, nothing. It runs good, sounds healthy. So after 10 minutes, we're doing first oil change. We're draining that initial break-in oil, which
it's gonna be a little bit warm.
yeah,
You should see a shimmer, right?
yeah, a little bit of the break-in. Little.
Then we put in some zinc additive.
Yeah. And then we'll put new oil in, and that should be good to go. Right. Hey.
It's spicy hot.
Hot. Hot diggity dog. Here you go. Alright, so that's that. And Ivan, so what, you see that?
Yeah,
you add zinc to it, right?
Yeah, zinc.
On the break-in, the first start of the engine after the full rebuild, you put some of this stuff, zinc additive, and it helps what?
For wearing, this is like from wear characteristics. This is a dry spot on there. Basically, it's just an anti-abrasive agent on there.
Okay, so there you go. Now ran for 10 minutes. We drain the oil. We're gonna put a new oil in, 100% oil.
Yeah,
no more.
We just went through the ranges for the.
Yeah, and now we'll drive tomorrow, break in, do some more breaking in, and should be good.
The ice after this.
Ice.
Oh no! Ah, you dig!
All right, YouTube. So let's finish talking about this project, so we can move on. Picked up the car a couple days ago. I drove it for about 100 miles. Did another oil change, 100-mile oil change. Runs good. Tomorrow I'm taking the car to the shop, getting all 4 new tires put in because the tires are in messed up shape, pretty beat up. I have one tire right there that's got flat. That's why I have a spare on it. I did register today. Did registration. Clean, pretty clean. Vacuum. Seats are good. Dash. Good car. It drives well, so I should have title in a couple of days. I'm gonna list it for sale probably tonight. Sell it, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So stay subscribed because this beast is coming alive, guys. I do have STI motor with 6-speed transmission. Big plans for this guy. STI motor, 6-speed transmission swap, and this guy going 500 wheel horsepower, 10-second car. This is gonna be at 10 seconds right here. So subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for support. Please like the video if you like what you see. Subscribe to the channel. Put a comment if you want to know more. Stick around. More content, guys. These two guys, something big happening. Something big plans for this guy. Big plans for that guy. Don't miss out. See you in the next one. Oh yeah, forgot to show you what the engine bays look like. The main part, the part that, you know, all the work was done on. There you go. That's what she looks like. Complete, finished, running. Runs good, clean. OEM. Good stuff. We recharged the AC. Everything's top notch. So that.